Well, this is section 2.1, and we're going to graph a couple of lines. We'll start with this line here. And to do that, we're going to find the intercepts, the x and y intercepts. And so to do that, we'll let, in the first case, x equals 0. So if x equals 0, it only takes 2 points to graph a line, so we'll come up with the corresponding point. Will you agree if x equals 0, then replacing x with 0, y equals -5, and we have one of our points. Now this time, and what this will be the y-intercept. To find the x-intercept, we'll let y equals 0. So y equals 0, and now we have to find the value of x that'll make that true. Well, will you agree that x minus 5 equals y? So I'll set x minus 5, since y equals 0, I'll set x minus 5 equal to 0 in place of the y. And now if we add 5 to both sides, plus 5, will you agree that the 5s will add out and we get x equals, and 0 plus 5 is 5. So now we know that when y is 0, x is 5. And we should be able to graph this line. X, y, and here we are at 0, -5. Every point on the y-axis has an x-coordinate of 0, and 5, 0, and every point on the x-axis has a y-coordinate of 0, and now we'll just draw the graph through those 2 points. Now let's move on to another one. And so we have to graph this line. So again, we're going to find the intercepts. We're going to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. So to find the y-intercept, we'll let x equals 0. And if we do that, we get y equals -5 times 0 plus 4. Well, -5 times 0 is 0, and we just get y equals 4, so our ordered pair is x was 0, 0, 4. Now to find the y-intercept, we'll let y equals 0. That is, since -5x plus 4 equals y, setting y equal to 0, we get -5x plus 4 equals 0 in place of y. Now we'll isolate the term with x in it, then we'll isolate x. So let's subtract 4 from both sides. So -5x, and if we subtract 4 from this side, we're left with 5x, and subtracting 4 from 0, we just get -4. Now we have to isolate x, so we'll multiply both sides by the reciprocal of -5, which is -1/5. -1/5. And here the the 5's divide out, and a negative times a negative is positive, and we've got x equal, and a negative times a negative is positive, and 1 times 4 is 4, so we get 4 over 5. And so now we know that the x-intercept is 4/5 and y is 0. So let's graph this. And here we are at 0, 4. Oh, and x and y. 0, 4, and we'll go over 4/5. So there's 4/5, 0. And we'll draw a line through these 2 points. And we have it.